Bless up on all my viewers and my subscribers. I don't know the thing, but this is Newlink from Newlink Production. So right about now, people, I was reading an article and I come across the story and I decided to say, you know what, I'm going to really share this out with my people. Because I don't know, so Newlink's an interesting story. I decided to I'm going to share it with my people and make them know what I go on to the fullest. Well, people, on a different level now. Zane was reading this article publicized in the Star. And it's about a lady, a female, who right now people say she's sad, she's fed up, she's confused, she's stressed. You understand? Because her man, who she live with, her man, her personal man, who she live with, don't stop wear her panty them, or her drawers, or her underwear, or bingo, or G-string, where you want call it French cut, anything. Says the man not stop wear them. Well, people, me I go tell you the story now, what they say. She said, well, this start from about 2 years ago. The man not start wear the jazz. Because she said at first time, when it start happening, they need to have a look of fun thing where they might play like role play and with each other. And you know what I mean? In a bed and maybe the man put on the wig on his head and then something. Then so eventually the man put on a panty. So you know then that play at the time. So she said they end up that's them go to whatever drop asleep and wake up. The man still in the jazz. She said, babes, you not take it off. The man said, why not my house me there, you know? You understand? So she said, alright, then she never take it as nothing because at the time she know they need to have something going on the night. But then after that, people, she discovered that her panties them, you know what I mean, they get wore out. The panty cause the man bigger on her, so the man start stretch out her panty them or something. She say her next day come now, when the man even in her jars asleep again, people. And one of him friend come, and she say, only thing the man do is just fling on him pants, go outside, you understand, over the jars. The man is a gangster man to him. I say the people, the man is a gangster man. They burn weed and they are burn weed and a razor different like a gangster. So she said when she talk to him, like she say, you can't talk with my jars, you're a batty man. I beat the man, beat her up, lick her in her face and then something the people and get hungry. You understand? So she said after that now, him still a wear the jars. She said most of her jars them stretch out right now, people. You understand? She didn't even want to buy them more because when she buy them new, him still take them and wear them. You understand? So she said at the end now, people, what she do now, she asked the man one little question, people. And I said to him, say, you know what? When I say I go tell my friend them what I go and say I wear my jars them. Right, he say, man, say, if he ever make a mistake and do that, him cut out her tongue same time and said the man was serious because she know him serious because weed man about weed and something. But I'm saying to you, my lady, you understand from me in Newlink Production and my perspective and based on the article that I see publicized and if you are watching this video. What I'm saying to you now, Zane, the man wear a panty them, the man wear a jazz them. First on our play on our act, him should even put on a jazz. And the next thing people, she say, when she even say to him, the man say, remember you wear my underpants and so I'm going to wear jazz, which that's totally different. A woman wearing a underpants, it's totally different, which me never likes woman underpants, so the really nice thing still. You get me as a people, you know what I mean? But still yet, it's totally different than a man wear a jazz. A man wear a jazz, people, to me is a fish, is a batty man, sorry for the language. You understand, but truthfully talk. You get me I say? There's no way in a man if you're in a jazz and wearing a jazz. If you understand, even though they did have a role play, still, him low there so. You know what I mean? When they play a thing, nothing wrong in put on the earphone here and something. I say, but the wear the jazz thing, this man to me, my lady, is a feminine, is something alright with him. And you need to do some background check on him. See, him not straight, him not real. And you boy, we wear the jazz, them you link to tell us it's a straight attack for you. No man enough you wearing a panty, brother. See, and a man thing them there. What you are doing a jazz? Eh? Why you get out of jazz? Honestly, you can't live with a woman and in a bed, you in a jazz asleep. Eh? Cause something alright, man. So lady watch him. Cause maybe you just keep on the jazz them phone him and go check him, man, you know. You understand? You want him man see him as something attractive, you know. You get me? And I see man that man. Any man where you say, oh man, if you weird, no real man, not do them thing there. No real Newlink fans done bridging them, now do them thing there. And you can check the comment people and say how much attack him I go get. Man no wear jazz, man no wear panty, a straight fire upon that. Attack. You think me a stop attack you? Eh? Boy, yeah, wear the woman panty, man, a stretch out human bingo, human G-string, human pan the river, the human French cut, the human lingerie, the woman everything we can think of. Eh? Maybe a little man 90 or maybe a little man frap them to, maybe a little man skirt them to, you man blouse them when she not there. I just told she not see you when you go check it. Hey, here's a look at nasty boy. Woman, get you not married to him, mate. You want to pick me for him? Shh. she out like when she fall. She fall. She. You understand? I run him like a dog. Go. Move. Come out of my way. Them the one they forget reader. Them the part we do in a society. You don't know what the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink Production now. And we say attack on that. Zine, remember to do follow us on Instagram, Newlink_production official. You get me? I say follow us on Facebook, Newlink Production, and like the page and follow the page. Follow us on Twitter also, Newlink Production. You don't know the thing of people. Check us out on a daily basis. Newlink Production. Remember, for all artists, review, you understand, business promotion, link up on Instagram. DM me. Blessings, people. Peace. I'm out. Big up.